Hi guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, hi, this is Anshu. I create content about beauty, makeup, skincare, fashion, hair care, anything related to beauty you will find out in this channel. And my niche is drugstore. I love me a good drugstore makeup, affordable makeup. So if you are interested in such videos, please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share my videos with your friends and families. Now without further ado, let's get started. So I have, like, the Amazon Great Indian Festival sale was going on, and as usual I shopped for some makeup products and they are all affordable. So if you are interested in knowing what I got for this Great Indian Festival sale, keep on watching. Okay, so the first product is this giant palette, and this is by the Cuffs and Lashes sister brand, 20 something. So the both are like by Nidhi Katiyar. So this is the palette. This is a giant palette, and I ordered an colorful variation, but I got this. But today I have used it. I have created this full face first impression. So as you can see, I have created this beautiful look, and these shadows are really blendable, buttery smooth and pigmented. And this eye look literally took me 4 or 5 minutes, not more than that, both eyes, and this was really simple to create. So if you are a beginner, I will highly recommend you. These are really pigmented, plus these are really blendable. So for a beginner, these are perfect. Okay, so next I will talk about these. I have talked about these, I think, in my previous. So this is the Champagne Highlight by Sugar. This is their blush. And do you guys remember I got the broken one? They have sent me new one, and I still have the broken one. So I'm thinking about repressing it, and I have even bought the alcohol, like 100% alcohol. So I will create a short video where I will repress that bronzer. Okay, so this is the new foundation. So I have used up a foundation. I was so excited. So I purchased this, and this is such a good. I have this on, as you can see. I have filmed, first impression. So this is a beautiful skin tone match, first of all, and the finish is like matte. So I will recommend you if you have oily skin. Otherwise, if you have dry skin like me, use a glowy base. I have used a glowy base, and still my face was very matte. So I set it with a hydrating makeup fixer. So if you have dry skin, you have to work your way around this. Otherwise, it is a really good foundation. The coverage is also good. It's not like very light coverage, but it's not very high coverage. So if you have dry skin like me, you have to prep your skin very well with a dewy base and use a dewy setting spray, then you can use it. But I will highly recommend, if you want a matte foundation, go for it. The coverage is medium, and I don't think so you can build this up, but the shade range is really fantastic. My shade is like exact match. Okay, so the next is this Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. Can you guys believe I have never used this concealer? Maybe because I have Swiss Beauty, and Swiss Beauty is really good. So maybe I didn't need it, so I never purchased it. But it is really comparable to Swiss Beauty, really full coverage. Okay, so this is the component. I don't like this packaging. I don't like the sponge tip, but the coverage is like really full coverage, and shade match is like perfect. Maybe a highlighting concealer on me, but it is a really, I think it is a good match once I blend it out. Maybe a shade light, but I really like the way this blends. It blends in second, and the finish is so good, and it is very high coverage. Really comparable to Swiss Beauty. I think they are neck to neck. Okay, so a product I was really excited about. So this is by My Glam. I've never tried My Glam, because I've never tried My Glam because I thought they were like expensive, like really expensive. But this Great Indian Festival sale, they were like 50% off, so I bought this. So this is basically a foundation stick, but some of the blogger was using this as a bronzer. So some of the blogger was using this as bronzer, and this is the quantity, you guys. Only 5 grams of foundation, and I will not recommend this as a foundation. So I will not recommend this as foundation, but as a bronzer. So this comes with this packaging also, and this is the shade, a perfect bronzing shade on me, and I will roll this all the way up. So this is the quantity, only this much. So as a foundation, I will not recommend you, but as a cream bronzer, so they have deeper shades. So if you are around my skin tone, this will be a very natural bronzer on you. So this is the shade Almond. I will recommend this as a bronzer, but not as a foundation. Only 5 grams of product is this component. The component is so pretty, and this is paper, so I really like that, you know, brands are making such components. Really like the packaging, but the quantity for a foundation is really less. For bronzer it is a good quantity. I have this mascara. Look at the packaging. So this is by the brand Me On, and I have recently purchased their concealer, so I thought why not try their and look at the component, you guys. I've not used this up, maybe in the future, but this is volumizing one. In the packaging this says volumizing. Look at the component, it is so luxe, and this was 190 rupees. So for 190 they are providing such beautiful packaging. As far as like the volumizing claims, I have to try it on myself, then I will update you. Okay, so the next is this Insight Duo. So this is basically a duo. One is a bronzer, and then we have a highlighter. So I was really excited because I think Arnakshi really likes this. So this is the bronzer and highlighter. So one side you have contour, and from this side you have highlighter, and so this is the bronzer. So as you can see, this is a contour on me, a beautiful cool tone contour shade, and this is the highlighter. So this is the highlighter and this is the contour. As you can see, this is really cool tone, this is warm tone. So if you want a contour, you can try this. And the highlighter is really pretty golden sort of a highlighter. I will use this in some other video. Today I have not used these two products. So I got this free with you know, that contour and highlighter. I got this primer free. There was a combo where you can buy that contour and this primer would be free. So this is 240 by itself. I got the combo for 240, so great deal. So this is your typical silicone base mattifying primer. So this is, you know, a clear primer. So again, a silicone base pore filling primer. And if you want to try affordable option, you can go for this one. The combo was so great. Okay, another Insight product is this lipstick. So these are their new launch. So this is the packaging. So this is their matte lip ink, and so I have reviewed their non-transfer lipstick, and but the formula of this one is better, you guys. So this is the Red Ocean, and I have so many nudes, so I didn't pick the nude. Also the nude which I want was out of stock, so I bought this red, and this is such a pretty red. It's a very deep red, and the formula of this one is really different. It is like a hybrid between a liquid and a you know, bullet lipstick. Really a comfortable liquid lipstick. So if you have dry lips and you are like, I cannot apply liquid lipstick, you can try this one. It's a very pretty red shade, a really true red, a really deep red. And yeah, last product after that we have a couple of nail paints. So this is the highlighter by Rene. Now Rene is also a brand that I have tried for the first time. A lot in this haul I have tried a lot of new brands which I have never personally bought. So this is their stick highlighter, and yesterday was a family function and I applied this. This is such a natural highlight. This is the shade Rose Gold, and this is like a lipstick, so cute. So the quantity is not too much, but it is okay. Highlighters take forever to use up, although yesterday was my family function and I have applied this, and this is such a natural highlight. So if you want really no makeup look, truly no makeup highlighter, so this is the swatch. I hope it is visible on camera, but yeah, from this, see, this is the best natural highlighter that I own. And this is not a highlighter if you want for parties. If you want something for everyday basis, this is a great highlight. Can you guys see? Very natural subtle highlight. So this was 150 when I purchased it, although I think MRP is 450. I don't think so this is worth 450. First of all, the quantity is like really less. Second, it is really natural on skin. So if you want something for everyday, I will recommend it. But if you want a highlighter, no, don't purchase this. But if you want something for no makeup, this is the most natural. I don't think so anything can be more natural than this highlighter. This is the best no makeup sort of a highlighter. So yeah, I loved it. So if you want such you know, makeup like which you can carry, you know, for your no makeup look, you can try this. Okay, so last are these nail paints. So I was seeing this from on Amazon, and this is Juice, I guess, and this is a pretty lilac shade, that's why I bought it, and I will try it. I have not yet tried this. This is mauvey lilac sort of a shade, and you guys know I love purples. So this is by Color Essence. Now I have tried their compact, nothing else. I want to try them. So this is a coral sort of nail paint. I never you know, I don't have such shades in my collection. It's a pretty coral nude shade. So if you want something for everyday basis, this will be great. And this is the nail paint that I have on my nails. It's the typical mauvey gray sort of shades. It's just looking more gray than on this you know, bottle. and this is by Yo-Yo Beauty. I've never heard the name, but I think they are pretty long lasting because I have applied this yesterday and they are still intact. So this is the shade, but it is looking more gray than in the bottle. It was looking slightly purple. So yeah, these were all the things that I purchased around this, Great Indian Festival sale. And this was the best time for huge discounts. Like the discounts were like crazy. So I think this was the best time to pick up something if you want. So yeah, so if you want something for this Diwali, you can try this sale. I think this sale is, there will be another Diwali sale, I guess, after some days. So yeah, the discount were like so good this time. So I will really recommend you, if you want to grab something, now is the time to try out. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share my videos with your friends and families, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.